So it's a very warm welcome to the National Stadium in Karachi for the second match in this series of 7. T20I's 𝚆𝚅𝚘𝚘 presents Dapper News Pakistan versus England T20I Series 2022. England 1-0 up after that first victory. Shall we say it was a little fortunate for the Pakistans. First run of the night then, just guided down to the... Oh, flies away, airborne, flies very quickly down to third. That's a super shot. Just good enough on it, just. That is the break. Slightly more leg side, that races away. Man still on the circle there at, well, short fine leg. Absolutely, 𝚆𝚎𝚎𝚘𝚘𝚘 that last ball, that last over. That's an edge. You can do absolutely nothing about those as a fielding side. Frustration for Dahani. Bit of a ricochet. Oh, he's just targeting 𝚆𝚎𝚎𝚘𝚘𝚘 as he made his ground down at the... Hoiked away in the air, not out of the middle of the bat, just trickling its way towards the boundary where it just beats the dive. And just long enough.
Knocked him over. Intent all you like. But when your stumps are lying on the floor behind you... Oh, he's knocked him over again. Around his legs, and off he goes. Pointing to the badge, pointing to the dressing room. Slow ball again, and Duckett has found a way of finding the fence. The final over of the power play is often full of drama. Oh, that's cheeky. That's really impudent from Ben Duckett. He is a maestro at all manner of sweeps. Oh, was there an edge? How has that missed the stumps? How has that missed? Another sweep, top edge, but I think he's got a nice piece of it, yes. That has flashed away behind square of use of the...
Yeah, he employed similar sort of a stroke.
Reverse, it goes square up. Oh, that's a magnificent stroke. Very good indeed.
Crunched that. He's crunched it and placed it. Crunched again. Well, this is sterling batting.
Unbelievable shots from this guy, and
that's what all is fast and straight. 𝚆𝚎𝚘𝚘𝚘 just takes the gloves off and starts that walk back home.
And hope for the best. Look at this, another brilliant shot. This is unbelievable cricket from this amazing talent.
Oh, bowled him. For once the calculations have gone wrong. For once the gamble has failed. Up it goes, high and long.
He runs. Another googly. Misfield maybe. And another boundary. That was a very sweet shot from the skipper.
Tickled away, that's going to be 4. Line was wrong. And Brook just delicately hard. Oh, that's brilliant. 4 men back on the leg side. It doesn't matter. Put another one back. Because that is out of the park again. Oh, he's got him. He's knocked him over. The bowler's revenge, and it's sweet. Moeen swings languidly into the leg side. It's got past the man out there on the fence. And he's got a chance to redeem himself. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, he's going to find the boundary here as well. Yeah, that just rubs salt into the wound. Moeen Ali finishes.
Nice to Pakistan.
Oh, Curran. Anything Duckett can do, Sam Curran can do as well. Two men back there.
Oh, very lucky. Just very close to that off stump, or should I say the bailed.
getting bowled out on more than one occasion. Oh, boom. That is out of here. Up into the night sky from 𝚆𝚊𝚆𝚗𝚔. Oh, he's got another one. He's got another one. It's gone all the way. England go to 199. 𝚆𝚊𝚆𝚗𝚔.
Flat six to end it all. It's gone skimmed away over the fence, and this has been
Nicely worked away on the offside. Punching the ball off the back foot.
Just a little bit of swing, but it swung nicely onto the middle of the bat. There's that timing again.
I get it! Brilliant toss, brilliant toss.
Yeah, he's got enough of that. The dive. Not quite. Smash straight down the ground. That slower delivery. Great shot. Absolutely lovely shot. David Willey has come back in again.
He's picked that up. He's picked that up to perfection and lands over the boundary. Massive six from Rizwan. His first.
Not responding to that. But 𝚆𝚆𝚆𝚗𝚔 is responding to his critics. Quite.
Have another go in the crowd. How often does that happen?
This is the man in Nick. Another good shot. Another boundary. It's happening here for Pakistan.
Down the leg side. It's a poor delivery. Or poorly directed anyway. And that finds a gap as well. Lots of work to do out there, and I don't think Lou Wood's going to make it. He might get two here. Yeah, really good. Oh, that's a great shot. I didn't think he'd be able to generate that amount of power to be.
The bat on, is it? I don't know if.
I know, man.
Well, a bit of a hack.
Fell well short of the 200 they need tonight.
Oh, what a hit! What a hit! From 𝚆𝚆𝚆𝚗𝚔. Under partnership.
One ball in. That's well bowled. But it's also 50 for 𝚆𝚆𝚆𝚗𝚔. First ball from 𝚆𝚆𝚆𝚗𝚔 goes way over the rope. That's four. Doesn't seem to make an awful lot of difference. Here we go again. Here we go again. Not quite so far this.
Oh, he's found the gap. He's found the gap.
Nicely. See, like that. This is a beauty. Not with these full tosses. There's a fielder there, but to no win for the maximum.
T20 international cricket. The
outside off stump, picked up. There's a fielder there to no well. Ideas, obviously. Look at his shot into the gap. One bounce, two bounce.
That's it. Bubba finishes it. He finishes it, and who else?